Hi guys, welcome to another episode of The Bright Side. It's Karla Dreyer, and today I'm super excited because there is a new series called Ask Karla. Yes, ask me a question, any design question or life question or business question or whatever, but probably mostly design, and I'm gonna answer it for you. So the first question I got was from Julie, and Julie asked me, what do I think about accent walls? Do you think those are still in style? Basically, she wanted to know, should she paint an accent wall? How would you do it? You know, accent walls. So first of all, I just want to say what an accent wall is. An accent wall would be a wall that you paint a different color than the rest of your house, just so we're all on the same page. Okay. This is my personal opinion, I'm not a huge lover of the accent wall. I don't know, unless there's something you really want to accent, and I kind of go, why is it there? And I think the reason is with this is because a lot of times the accent wall is not going with the rest of the space. So, where I do like an accent wall is usually behind a bed. I think there's an area you could paint it, but instead of paint, I would think for an accent wall, try wallpaper. I do like that. And I do like wallpaper, like in a foyer, it could be behind a bed. I really like it, and I've done it quite a few times where the TV is, kind of to mask the TV. I really like that as an accent wall. So the other thing with an accent wall, if you are gonna do one, is make sure that the rest of the room is painted in a color you like first. So I think what happens is people go and choose the accent wall, like maybe they think, I really want blue, I really want this blue accent wall. So they may paint a blue and then kind of work the main color around the blue, and that doesn't always work. So I would say paint whatever color you like first in the space. I always say stick with a neutral. I'm partial to whites, you know, but whites or grays or beiges or grayish, those type of colors. And then choose an accent color that goes with it. And then also make sure when you do that, that you incorporate it in the rest of the space. So what does that mean? If you were painting an accent wall, say behind your couch, and you were adding, let's use blue again, then you want to bring in blue in other places. So bring it in your pillows, bring it in your accessories. Make sure it's not just this blue wall, that it makes sense. So I hope that answers your question, Julie. I'm not personally in love with accent walls, but if you're gonna do them, my tips are choose your wall color first. I like it in a entryway, a bedroom's probably my favorite, maybe behind a couch, and make sure that it makes sense. Bring it in the rest of the space. So if you have any design questions, please leave them below because I would love to hear them, and I would love to feature you on the next edition of Ask Karla. If you like this video, make sure that you like it, that you're subscribed, and share with your family and friends. Also, make sure you hop on over to karladreyerdesign.com and sign up for my newsletter, because I do send a weekly newsletter to my subscribers with tips, tricks, and DIYs. Also, if you have questions more about color, I do have a color guide with some of my favorite paint colors that I like to use, and you can link to that below.
Do you want your place to feel warm and welcoming and represent you and your family? If you do, I've created a program just for that. It's called Design Your Dream Home. It's an online-based program that'll take you through my exact design process I use when designing a new place. In this program, we'll go through how you want your place to feel, which is a huge thing and often missed. Then how the room actually functions, which may surprise you. We'll go down and narrow your personal style, which I promise you is life-changing, because no more time and money spent on things that don't represent you. And then we'll go through where to find inspiration, how to narrow down that inspiration, and you'll basically end up creating a design board of the exact items you want for your room. I also have a couple bonuses on color and accessorizing. Once you're in the program, you have lifetime access and can refer back to it at any time. If you want to design your dream home, I've got the link below with more information, and I'd love to see you there.